Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put negative y go to the left. Later that we divide both sides by s plus 1. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that number 1 over s plus 1 next to y with positive sign, that is for integrating factor. So we have e to the power of ln of s plus 1, and this one we have s plus 1. That means we multiply both sides by s plus 1. Now we need to simplify. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to lnx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s dv. We have the s, the integration of this one, we have v equals to x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So s divided by s, we have number 1. And this one we have the final answer. So I will put this one to change for this one in here. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 10. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 10 cone here. So we can find the value of c. This one we have number 20. Negative number 1 I will put in here So we have 21. And now I will put numbers 21 gold here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.